In today's video, we're diving into the lives of the richest people in the world and uncovering how they built their incredible fortunes. Get ready for an exciting journey through the world of billionaires and top entrepreneurs. Welcome to Whiteboard Invest, your #1 go-to source for clear and concise investing knowledge explanation. Here, we break down complex financial concepts using a simple whiteboard format, making learning about investing accessible to everyone. Let's talk about Elon Musk. Born in 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa, Elon is a visionary entrepreneur known for his ambitious ventures. Fun fact, Musk once sold a video game he created at the age of 12 for $500. And guess what? He's known for his unconventional choices, like naming one of his children XAA12. Musk's journey began when he moved to the US and attended Stanford University, though he dropped out after just 2 days to pursue his entrepreneurial dreams. He first co-founded Zip2, a city guide software, which he sold for nearly $300 million. He then founded X.com, which became PayPal, and was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion in stock. Later, he founded SpaceX in 2002, with the goal of reducing space transportation costs. In 2004, he joined Tesla Motors, eventually becoming its CEO and leading it to global recognition. And here's a funny story. Elon Musk was one of the co-founders of OpenAI, an organization dedicated to ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. But in a twist of events, Musk later tweeted on X that AI is one of the biggest threats to humanity. Can you believe that? It's like inventing the car and then warning everyone about the dangers of speeding. Classic Elon. Throughout his career, Musk has faced many challenges, including near bankruptcy and intense scrutiny. His net worth often fluctuates around $200 billion, making him one of the richest people on Earth. Meet Bernard Arnault, the luxury goods tycoon. Born in 1949 in France, Arnault is the chairman and CEO of LVMH, a conglomerate of over 70 luxury brands, including Louis Vuitton and Sephora. Interestingly, Arnault once played the piano on a live TV show to showcase his hidden talent. And did you know? He once briefly considered a career as a professional pianist before choosing business. His journey began when he took over his father's construction company, Ferret Savenel. Seeing potential in the luxury market, he acquired Christian Dior in 1985, marking his entry into the luxury goods sector. Under his leadership, LVMH expanded through strategic acquisitions and has become the world's leading luxury group. Arnault's net worth is approximately $190 billion. Now here's Jeff Bezos. Born in 1964 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, Bezos is the founder of Amazon, the world's largest online retailer. Did you know Jeff Bezos once worked at McDonald's during his high school years? And here's a headline grabber. In 2019, Bezos went through a high-profile divorce that became the most expensive in history. Bezos graduated from Princeton University in 1986 with degrees in electrical engineering and computer science. He worked on Wall Street before founding Amazon in 1994, initially as an online bookstore. Bezos's relentless focus on customer service and innovation helped Amazon expand into various sectors, including cloud computing, entertainment, and groceries. His net worth often ranks him as the world's richest person, fluctuating around $180 billion. Say hello to Larry Ellison. Born in 1944 in New York City, Ellison is the co-founder of Oracle Corporation, a giant in the software industry. Fun fact, Larry named his company Oracle after a CIA project he worked on. And get this, Ellison once raced sailing yachts and won the prestigious America's Cup in 2010. Ellison's path to success wasn't straightforward. He dropped out of the University of Chicago and later the University of Illinois before moving to California to work on various programming jobs. In 1977, he founded Software Development Laboratories, which later became Oracle Corporation, focusing on developing database management systems. His aggressive business tactics and vision for Oracle propelled it to become a leading software company. With a net worth of about $120 billion, Ellison is known for his extravagant lifestyle, including owning a Hawaiian island. Let's dive into Bill Gates' story. Born in 1955 in Seattle, Washington, Gates co-founded Microsoft, revolutionizing personal computing. And guess what? Gates was once arrested in New Mexico for speeding and driving without a license. Plus, he famously dropped out of Harvard to pursue his dream of building Microsoft. Gates began his journey in 1975 when he and his childhood friend Paul Allen started Microsoft, initially to develop and sell basic interpreters for the Altair 8800. The company soon expanded to develop the MS-DOS operating system, which became the foundation for its success. Gates's sharp business acumen and strategic partnerships helped Microsoft dominate the personal computer market. His wealth, now about $115 billion, has been largely dedicated to philanthropy through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Meet Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. Born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, Buffett is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. A fun tidbit: Buffett still lives in the house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. And here's a quirky one. Warren eats at McDonald's for breakfast every single day, ordering the same meal. Buffett's investment career began early. He bought his first stock at age 11. After graduating from the University of Nebraska, he studied under Benjamin Graham at Columbia Business School. Buffett's investment philosophy, focusing on value investing and long-term growth, led him to acquire a textile manufacturing firm, Berkshire Hathaway, in 1965, transforming it into a diversified holding company. His net worth is around $110 billion, and he's famous for his frugal lifestyle despite his immense wealth. Let's talk about Mark Zuckerberg. Born in 1984 in White Plains, New York, Zuckerberg co-founded Facebook, now Meta Platforms, in 2004 while at Harvard. A funny story: Zuckerberg once wore the same gray t-shirt every day to minimize decision fatigue. Plus, he also dropped out of Harvard to focus entirely on Facebook. Zuckerberg's journey began with FaceMash, a website he created to compare the attractiveness of his fellow students, which quickly got him into trouble with Harvard's administration. However, this project inspired him to launch the Facebook with his roommates. The platform quickly gained popularity, leading to its global expansion. Facebook's massive success catapulted him into billionaire status at a young age, with a net worth now around $100 billion. Say hi to Steve Ballmer. Born in 1956 in Detroit, Michigan, Ballmer is the former CEO of Microsoft and current owner of the Los Angeles Clippers. Remember his famous developers chant? Classic. And here's something wild. Ballmer is known for his incredibly high energy and sometimes wild presentations that became viral sensations. He joined Microsoft in 1980 as the company's first business manager, eventually becoming its CEO in 2000. During his tenure, Ballmer oversaw Microsoft's expansion into new markets, including cloud computing and gaming. With a net worth of about $90 billion, Ballmer is known for his energetic and exuberant personality. Let's get to know Sergey Brin. Born in 1973 in Moscow, Russia, Brin co-founded Google with Larry Page in 1998. Fun fact: Sergey once participated in a high-flying trapeze class, showcasing his adventurous spirit. Interestingly, he also holds a pilot's license and loves flying small planes. Brin's journey began when he and Page, both PhD students at Stanford University, started a research project on internet search engines. This project evolved into Google, which revolutionized the way people access information. Google's success was rapid, leading to its IPO in 2004. Brin's net worth is around $90 billion. Here's Larry Page. Born in 1973 in East Lansing, Michigan, Page is the co-founder of Google. A quirky tidbit: Larry Page is known for his love of flying cars and has invested in several startups working on this futuristic technology. And did you know? He once wanted to be an inventor and was inspired by the story of Nikola Tesla. Page's journey began at Stanford University, where he met Sergey Brin. Together, they developed a search algorithm that ranked web pages by their backlinks, which became the foundation for Google. Page served as Google's CEO until 2001, and later from 2011 to 2015, guiding the company's growth and innovation. With a net worth of approximately $90 billion, Page has remained a key figure in tech innovation. Meet Mukesh Ambani. Born in 1957 in Yemen, Ambani is the chairman and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries, India's most valuable company. Fun fact, his residence, Antilia, is one of the world's most expensive homes, valued at over $1 billion. And get this, his home has 3 helipads and a snow room that spits out snowflakes. Ambani's journey began when he returned to India after studying chemical engineering at Stanford University. He joined his father's business, transforming it from a textile company into a diversified conglomerate spanning petrochemicals, refining, oil, and telecommunications. Under his leadership, Reliance launched Jio, a disruptive telecom company that revolutionized India's internet landscape. Ambani's net worth is around $85 billion. Say hello to Françoise Bettencourt Myers. Born in 1953 in France, she is the heiress to the L'Oréal fortune. A fascinating detail. Bettencourt Myers is also a noted author and has written books on Jewish-Christian relations. Plus, she once won a legal battle against her own mother's close friend, proving her strong determination. As the granddaughter of the founder of L'Oréal, she inherited her wealth and has played a significant role in the company. Despite her immense wealth, she is known for her private and reserved nature. Her net worth is around $80 billion, making her one of the wealthiest women in the world. If you know some of the richest people in the world that I haven't mentioned, let everyone know in the comments below. If you're enjoying this content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. It only takes a moment, but it means a lot to me. You can also explore my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.